Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can list your business on Google. And by doing that, a lot of people can discover your business on Google. Alright, it will help you with your SEO. Alright, so hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a lead generation system that generates unlimited leads. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video like this. Okay, you see, when it comes to SEO, right? So SEO is one of the powerful way to generate new customers into your business. Okay, a lot of business owners rely on this method, and I can tell you this is a very reliable ways to generate leads into your business. Okay, so if your business are not on Google, then probably you need to watch this video. Okay, this video is going to help you list your business on Google. Alright, so let's jump into my video. Alright, so today I'm going to share with you how you can create this Google My Business. So which means you can list your business on Google. So if you run a physical store or you run a local business, this is going to help you and your business get free exposure. Alright, free. Remember this, okay? So all you need to do is I want you to follow me step by step. Okay, you don't want to miss any step here. Alright, so first thing first, I want you to go to this Google. Alright, you go to this google.com. Okay, so if you already have Google My Business, I highly recommend you to follow this as well, because there are some of the things that you might need to change. Alright, because Google My Business constantly update their products. Okay, so you need to follow this as well, right? So what I want you to do is let me jump straight to the point. You go to google.com. Okay, once you go to google.com, I want you to go to this Google Apps. Okay, so before you go to this Google Apps, make sure you log into your account. So once you log in, you go to this Google Apps. So I want you to click these 9 dots here, and I want you to click on this Google My Business. Okay, yeah, go ahead and do it. If you, for whatever reason, you cannot find this Google My Business feature, okay, you scroll to at the end, you still cannot find Google My Business, it's okay. What I want you to do is you go to Google and type this Google My Business. Okay, so this is what I do. And then I want you to find, this one is advertising. I want you to find the main page. Okay, this one is the main one. Okay, Google My Business, drive customers engagement on social media. Okay, so I want you to click here. Okay. So once you click here, you go to this page. I want you to click on sign in. Okay, click on sign in. After you sign in, I want you to click on this. Okay, so you can see this find and manage business. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to find your business first. You put here, and then let's say if you are let me simply name one business. Let's say, okay, let's copy this. Okay, so Blooms by Lee. Okay, so you can see if you found your company here, you can click here. All right, if you cannot find here, I want you to click here, create a business with this name. Okay, yeah. So right now I want to do an example, so I will use my information. Okay, this one is not my company. This is I personally create my own one, right? So I put my name, Kamin Choo, and then maybe I can put like digital training. Okay, something like this. So you can see they have got marketing training and this one, but don't have my name. Okay, Kamin Choo marketing training. So what I want to do is I click on this one, create a business with this name. Okay, so it will lead me to here, right? So listen it up. It's very important to fill in as many information as possible, because Google want to attract businesses that are serious. Okay, so if you didn't fill in all the information, which means they treat you not seriously, they won't promote your business as fast as possible, right? We want to do is we want Google to promote this as fast as possible, because this is free advertising, right? You want to list on their page. So what you need to do is make sure your business name is correct. Okay, yeah. So for me, right, this is my strategy. You can copy my strategy. Okay, I always like to put keywords related. Let's say if I'm running a digital marketing training company, I like to put my company name dash digital marketing training. All right. For some time, I can go into digital marketing training in Malaysia. Okay, so make sure for me, I like to use keyword. Okay, but there's no proof yet. Keywords can help on this, but for me, I love to try keywords. Okay, so for you, it's up to you. All right. So if you want to put your company name only, also can. If you want to put your company name dash chiropractor, your company name dash dentist in Kelantan, dentist in Kuala Lumpur, dentist in Penang. Okay, so it's up to you, right? So all you need to do is you need to test it out. Okay, so business category. All right, so let's say for training. Okay, so I will put in marketing. Okay, so I will put in marketing consultant. Okay, so business category, if not mistaken, you can put more than one. Okay, so you choose one first and then you enter. Okay, let me choose another one. Okay, so here I think we can put one first. Later at the end, you can add on few more. Okay, so you click next. Okay, so this one, okay, if you have a physical store or a local store, I highly recommend you to click this yes. Okay, let's say if people can walk into your business, you are florist, you are a dentist, you are a beauty salon, you click yes because you have a physical store, people can walk in. Okay, if you like me, for this case, right, I use this my name dash digital marketing trainer. So it's not a company. People cannot walk in, right? So I will click no. But the reach Google will not reach out to so much people if you do this. Okay. But if you have a physical store, you have a company, you are headquarter, right? You can click yes. Okay. Or let's say you have a manufacturer, okay, you can click yes as well. Okay. For this case, I click no. Okay. So where do you serve your customer? Okay. So for this, I think you can add more. Okay. Let's say for example, I want to serve Kuala Lumpur. Okay. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Let's say I want to serve in Penang, Penang, Malaysia, and then Johor, Kelantan. Okay. So add as many as possible, but make sure related to your company, right? Let's say if your business you didn't serve Kuala Lumpur area, you are a local business, okay? You have a physical store. Don't try to lie to Google because Google will punish you. So make sure you be honest with Google, okay? Let's say for example, if you are in Selangor, let's say for example, right, Selangor, what you can do, right? Let's say you own a physical store in this Selangor. What you can do is you can type Selangor and you can go into detail. Okay, you see Puchong Selangor, you got Rawang. You can add all these detail. Rawang Selangor, Shah Alam. Okay, so you can, if you are serving in Selangor area, you can add as many Selangor area as possible. Okay, so let's say if you are completed, click next. Okay, so this one, make sure you put your contact number. Okay, so I think I forced to put my contact number, so later my team will blur this out. Okay, so if you have a website, put your website. Okay, it will help as well. If you don't have, you click here. If you want Google to create their own website for you, you can use this. Okay, you just click here and will do. All right. So my team will blur this contact number out because I need to put real contact number. Okay. So see you later. So once everything is ready, you can click this next button. Okay. So this is very important. If you did not verify, Google will not treat you as a serious business, okay? So you need to verify this. Make sure you put your address, okay? After you put your address, you can click next, okay? But for me, I will click verify later because I just want to show you an example. For you, you click your address, okay? Let's say if you are a physical store, obviously you want to put your store name. If you like me, for this example, right, I use my name, digital marketing trainer. If you are like me, you are a trainer, you want people to discover you, you can put your home address, okay? Because this is very important. Because Google will ship information to your house to verify you, whether you really have a business or not, right? But for me, I will verify later. And again, it's very important to verify. First thing is Google will trust you more. Second thing is you are able to unlock few features like you are able to allow people to message you on the spot. Okay, if people install Google apps on their cell phone, they can message you immediately. Okay, so another thing is you can start receiving reviews. Okay, you know that reviews, word of mouth is very important. If people can see a lot of reviews, 5-star reviews, and people talking, people say your products or service are very good, then this will help your business as well. Okay, but for me, I'm not going to verify it yet. For you, please go and verify it. Okay, so I verify later. Okay. So for this, right, you can add your service. Okay. So for me, I add here. If you cannot see your service, you can click this add custom service, and then you add as many service related to your business. Okay. You don't want to add everything not related. Okay. Let's say if you own a F&B business, right? What you want to do is you want to click food and beverage, your main service, okay? Then you can put food delivery service because it's related, right? You don't want to put like other things, okay? Like florist, okay? Yeah, good. So you can add your service. Let's say for me, I put internet. Oh, okay, cannot detect. Okay, so never mind. If you cannot find this, you add few first, and then you can add on later, right? For me, I'm going to click next. Okay. All right. So now we are here after we click next. Okay. So this one, please be honest with Google. Okay. You don't want to put 24 hours everything unless you really run your business for 24 hours. Okay. For me, I just want to click next. Okay. For you, please be honest with Google. Okay. So this one is the new features where people can message you immediately. But remember, you need to verify your Google My Business first. Okay. So for me, after you verify, you click accept message. And then you put your business description. Okay, you can talk about how many what do you do, what do you serve, and what type of customer that you help. Okay, and then once everything is okay, you can click next. For me, I'm going to skip this, okay, because I don't want to waste time type all this. That will be another video, right? I share with you all this. Okay, so for example, this one, if you have many photos, right, you can upload as many as possible. Okay, this one is very important because the more active you are, the more Google is going to help you, right? For me, this is a demo account. I'm going to skip it. Okay. So this one, you can skip it. Unless you want to run Google Ads, then you can claim your credits. Okay. For me, I'm not going to run ads, so I'm going to skip this. So your business profile is almost ready. Click continue. The reason why it's not ready yet is because I didn't verify it. Okay, so you can see here after you do everything right, you are in this page, right? So make sure you verify it and make sure you fill in as many information as possible. Try to hit 100% here, right? Because the higher the percentage is, the more Google want to promote you. All right. So another thing you need to do is here this post, right, is where you can post on Google. Let's say you have any information update about your business, you can update here. All right. The next thing is here, info. Okay, so info, if you want to change your name, you can change here. You want to change your service, change here. Locations, you can change here. Service area, change here. Hour, add here. Contact number, add here. So my team blur out, you cannot see this. Okay, and then service, what type of service you offer, and then all this information. So try to add this all this information as possible. The more information, the more it's going to help you, right? And then next thing is after you verify it, you click reviews, and then you can start replying message. You can start receiving reviews. Okay, and then message here as same as well. You need to verify first before you can use these features. Okay, so lastly is I want you to click this user. Okay, so this user, let's say for example, if you have your marketing team or you have someone else to manage your Google My Business, you can add them here. You click add user, then you put their email address, choose role. If you put owner, they can change everything. If you put manager, they only can manage. They cannot change your business name. They cannot delete your Google My Business account. Okay. If you put them owner, they can shut this down. So if you want to put owner, make sure there is a person that you trust, right? And actually, there's one more features. I think is assistant. Okay, if you have staff coming into your business, you can add them as assistant. Okay, for assistant, you can only control few of the things. Okay, so that's it for this video. All right. Hey, did you find this video is helpful? If you find this video is helpful, what I want you to do is I want you to share this video to your friend, alright? What you need to do is you need to click the link in the description box below or the button down below to join my 2 hours virtual training, alright? So register yourself there and I will see you in the training.